everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you have got your feeds set up, your mute filters dialed in, and Leo is learning your preferences. But what about topics that aren't covered by a single source? What if you want to track AI in healthcare across hundreds of applications without manually adding each one? That's where AI feeds come in. According to Feedly's documentation, AI feeds are custom feeds that continuously scan the web and your existing feeds to find articles that match your specified topics. Keywords are concepts. They are like having a personal researcher who reads everything and brings you only what matters. So the best part is, AI feeds work alongside your regular feed. So you can create as many as you want depending on your plan, and they will continuously update as new content is published. Set them up once and they're on forever. How to do so is pretty easy, since we're gonna go through all of this in today's small tutorial. First and first, go through Feedly and login, preferably on the web. Now, go to this plus icon in the navigation. Tap basically name, topic, or paste a link to add content. You can then select AI feeds or create AI feed. You can also go to Leo, look for AI feeds there, and create new one. But keep in mind, you won't be able to access it unless you have this Pro Plus subscription. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.